Good afternoon, students. Today we'll study Unit 4, Lecture 6, Synthetic Dyes. First is methyl orange synthesis. Methyl orange is synthesized by following steps. In the first step, sulfonylic acid is diazotized. So, sulfonylic acid is also called para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. In para position, amino group and sulfonic acid group is there. In the presence of sodium nitrate HCl at 0 degree centigrade, gives diazonium salt of sulfonylic acid. The diazotized sulfonylic acid is coupled with dimethyl aniline in presence of NaOH. So diazotized N triple bond N, that is diazotization is there. NN dimethyl aniline on nitrogen 2 methylene group, so it is known as NN dimethyl aniline. So the diazotized sulfonylic acid is coupled with dimethyl aniline in presence of NaOH. Then this methyl orange is formed. Methyl orange means in para position N double bond N, two benzene rings N, CH3 SO3 minus Na plus. Uses: methyl orange is not useful as dye because it is not fast and it is sensitive to acids. It is mainly used as indicator in acid base titration. In basic solution above pH 4.4 it is yellow, while in acidic solution below pH 3.1 it changes its color to red. This change of color from yellow to red is due to the change in the structure of ion. So this is the use of methyl orange. Next is Congo red synthesis. It contains two azo groups and as such can be called as diazo dye. It is obtained by the following step. First step, the benzidine is tetraazotized in acidic medium. Benzidine means on benzene ring para position NH2 group is there. Diazotation, you get benzidine. Then tetraazotized benzidine is coupled with 2 moles of naphthalenic acid in alkaline medium. Alpha naphthalenic acid tetraazotized 2 molecules, we are getting Congo red. Uses: the actual dye stuff is the sodium salt of the acid. It is scarlet powder which turns blue on addition of acid. The dye gives deep blue color only with strong mineral acid. Congo red papers are used in laboratory to identify strong acid solutions. Next is phenolphthalein. It is an important member of phthalate group, prepared as follows. Phenolphthalein is prepared by heating a mixture of phenol and phthalic anhydride in presence of zinc chloride or concentrated sulfuric acid and 115 degrees centigrade to 120 degrees centigrade. The heating is to be done very carefully, especially if concentrated H2SO4 is used to avoid charring. So phthalic anhydride plus phenol 2 molecules, we get phenolphthalein. So this is the structure of phenolphthalein. Properties and uses: it is a colorless crystalline solid with melting point 261 degrees centigrade. It is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol. It also soluble in alkalis, example NaOH, and gives a deep red solution. It is used as an indicator rather than a dye. Next, alizarin preparation. Alizarin is obtained from phthalic anhydride and benzene by the following step. Phthalic anhydride plus benzene gives orthobenzoyl benzoic acid. Orthobenzoyl benzoic acid is converted to anthraquinone by cyclization involving treatment with concentrated H2SO4. So orthobenzoyl benzoic acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, cyclization takes place and anthraquinone is formed. Anthraquinone, on being heated with fuming sulfuric acid at 180 degrees centigrade, changes to anthraquinone to sulfonic acid. So anthraquinone is there in fuming sulfuric acid, turns into anthraquinone to sulfonic acid. This anthraquinone to sulfonic acid on heating under 200 degrees centigrade under pressure in the presence of NaOH and potassium chloride gives in the presence of sulfuric acid alizarin. So this is the structure of alizarin. Properties and uses of alizarin: it is obtained as ruby red crystals. It is soluble in alkalis and gives purple solution. It is mordant, that is, it forms colored salt with metallic oxide. Alizarin is also used to dye cotton, wool and wood. Means to color the cotton, wool and wood also we can use alizarin. Next is indigo dye. It is a what dye? Originally it was obtained from plants. The plant's glucoside indicant on hydrolysis gives glucose and indoxyl. Indoxyl, when exposed to air, oxidized to indigo. Synthetically, it is obtained as follows. In synthesis, anthranilic acid is condensed with chloroacetic acid to form N-phenyl glycine orthocarboxylic acid. The product is fused with sodium hydroxide and sodamide to produce unstable indoxylic acid and later losses CO2 to form indoxyl. Indoxyl, when oxidized with air, gives indigo. Properties and uses. It is water soluble colored compound which can be reduced to colorless compound which are known as leuco compound, which is soluble in alkali. It is used on large scale for dyeing cotton by Watt process. This is anthranilic acid. On condensation with chloroacetic acid, use N-phenyl glycine orthocarboxylic acid. In this, on fusing with NOH plus sodamide, gives indoxylic acid. This indoxylic acid on rearrangement gives indoxyl. Indoxyl, 2 molecules of indoxyl on air oxidation gives indigo dye. This is the indigo dye. So the uses we have seen before in the previous slide. Thank you.